With the old tables, we had some hairy moments a few times. If you look at this table here, you can see that it is cracked. So the practice member was sitting on the table and it cracked, and we just could really manage to keep it up. So you will see what we did to strengthen the table. The second point is how easy it is to repair. When you look at the old table, they had these screws that screw directly into the wood. With age, and when you have to unscrew them, the screws don't hold as well anymore as they are supposed to. So we came up with a solution where we use a nut and a bolt, and the two together are stronger, and especially you can unscrew and screw the bolt and put things together without losing structural strength of the wood.